We are going to make a dice system in very short way. Let's get the work. First, you will need a dice model. You can download it from Sketchfab.com as FBX format. Unzip the file and drag the FBX field to Content Browser and drop it. It will be your dice's static mesh. Create an actor and name it as Dice BP. Add static meshes component and choose the dice you just downloaded. Add an arrow and name arrow 1. Position the arrow pointing outward from surface number 1. And duplicate it. Repeat for all surfaces. Don't forget, the numbers of the arrows and the surface numbers to which they are attached must be the same. Now our dice has 6 arrows. Open the event graph. We roll the dice at first. Create a custom event name as rolling. I'm planning that when I call rolling event, dice will be lifted 800 unit in z-axis. Call set actor location and make 800 z-axis. You should fill other axioms as they are. And we want the dice fall to floor after we lift it, so simulate the physics. And make it Ligther. I will call this event from third-person character. Type key space. Now I need to read a dice blueprint. There are a lot ways to reach another actor's blueprint. I'm going to use reference system in here. Create a variable, name it dice bpref, and choose the type as typing actor's blueprint name. For making instant editable, open the eye and compile it. Compiling is critical in this moment. After compiled, as you can see, there is a new part in third-person characters detail. It says none. Choose the dice BP. Now we can reach every variables, functions, or events in dice blueprint. Get the dice BP ref, call rolling and bind. Let's test it. As you can see, nothing happened. I don't want him to jump when I press space. It doesn't working because we are trying to set actor's location, but we want to move static mesh. So choose the static mesh and drag into default scene route. In this way, static mesh turns into actor himself. Now it will work. Okay, now we rotate the dice randomly. Add set actor rotation. Struck the pin and call random float in range function. It will generate a float between 0 and 360 when it's called upon. Now it is rolling. Now we have to learn if dice stop or not. Create a custom event and name it stop. Create a variable. Name it as actor lock and choose type vector. Call get actor location function and set variable with it. Make a delay, and after we gonna compare our variable and actor location. If they are equal, it means dice is not rolling anymore. Make a branch and bind it. If they are not equal, call same event again to check the dice situation. Now we reveal the result. Create a custom event and name as result. I'm going to reveal using forward vector of arrows. For example, surface of 3 is facing to up. Drag arrow 3. Get forward vector and print it. As you can see, while others are 0, but z-axis is 1. So when the dice stop, one of these arrows z-axis will be 1. Get all of arrows in a row. And add get forward vector for all of them. And call equal vector. Type C is 1. And increase the tolerance part as 0.5. Copy-pasted all of them. Call branch for all of them. And print string numbers according to the name of arrows. It start the control arrow 1 if arrow 1's the axis is 0, and then control arrow 2, and ongoing. First we call rolling, and add stopped event right after. Stopped event will check if dice rolling or not. If it stopped, it gonna call result event. If not stop, gonna check it again until dice stops. Play it. Yes, perfectly works. Thank you watching. See you in next video.